Alright, today I'm going to talk about the Toyota Highlander, Toyota Kluger, depending on where you're situated in the world, what it's called. Same thing, 3.5 V6, 2008 model. And this is about the door with the window clicking. And it can do the driver's side, passenger side, whatever it is. And all it is this thing here, the door stay. When it closes, it just goes into an angle and the glass here goes down and it just hits it. But if you open the door up, it won't make that noise. So easiest fix is just pull this off. Simple. There's only a couple of screws around here and one on behind here and here. Real easy. Pop it off and you'll find just in the corner, all you got to do is you just got to grind a piece off. Just a small bit. Doesn't even go to the stopping part. Simple. Just grind it off. Put it back in. Shut your door and away you go. Don't need to go to the mechanics. Don't need to buy another regulator, nothing. That's all it is. So I hope this helps, guys.